A new era in coding. Copilot Workspace. Unveiled. Get ready for a paradigm shift in coding. As of yesterday, GitHub unveiled Copilot Workspace, a revolutionary tool poised to transform how we write code. This AI-powered wonder can plan, write, test, and execute code based on natural language instructions. A tool, not a takeover. While some might envision a robot takeover of the coding world, fear not. Copilot Workspace isn't here to replace programmers, but rather to empower them. Think of it as a highly skilled copilot, boosting your productivity without stealing the captain's seat. Here's how it works. A guided workflow. Imagine you're facing a coding challenge. Copilot Workspace steps in, offering a collaborative workflow. 1. Specification. Trigger the tool and describe the desired feature in natural language. Copilot analyzes your code base and proposes edits to fix the issue. You can even modify its suggestions to guide the AI in the right direction. 2. Planning. Next, Copilot lays out a detailed plan, outlining affected files and the proposed code changes in each. Again, you have complete control to fine-tune the plan before proceeding. 3. Code generation. Upon your approval, Copilot creates a queue where it writes all the necessary code. You can then review the changes, make additional modifications if needed, and ensure everything functions as intended. 4. Testing and integration. Before merging the new code, run it using the integrated terminal or a GitHub code space. This allows you to thoroughly test and debug the changes as if you wrote the code yourself. 5. Pull request creation. Copilot even streamlines the final step by writing the pull request description for you. A productivity booster, not a job destroyer. So, will Copilot Workspace make programmers obsolete? The answer lies in a nuanced understanding of its impact. For the core skill of programming, Copilot serves as a powerful productivity enhancer. It streamlines repetitive tasks and frees developers to focus on complex logic and problem solving. A bigger picture, the evolving software landscape. However, the rise of large language models, LLMs, like Copilot, might pose a more significant threat, not to programmers themselves, but to the need for certain types of software. Consider companies like Chegg, which cater to students seeking homework help. With AI tools like Claude and GPT-4, cheating becomes faster and cheaper, potentially rendering such services obsolete. This trend could extend to front-end UIs and business-focused applications, as AI becomes adept at generating basic software functionality. The obsolescence. Paradox. Software evolves. Programmers. Don't this scenario might seem bleak, but there's a reassuring paradox at play. As traditional software becomes easier to build with AI assistance, the demand for programmers might shift rather than vanish altogether. Why programmers remain vital. 1. Maintaining control. While Copilot generates code, it still requires human expertise to interpret the results, identify potential errors, and ensure the software functions as intended. Understanding and manipulating code remains essential for programmers. 2. New frontiers. As AI simplifies basic software creation, programmers will likely be freed to explore uncharted territories. They can delve deeper into complex algorithms, tackle cutting-edge projects, and focus on areas where human creativity and ingenuity are irreplaceable. Optimism for the future. The rise of automation and AI in coding represents a fascinating change, but it doesn't necessarily spell the end for programmers. Tools like Copilot Workspace free developers from repetitive tasks and allow them to focus on what matters most: developing complex logic, solving complex problems, and pushing the limits of software creation. Improve your productivity. However, the big picture shows the potential for ripple effects. AI may reduce the demand for certain types of applications as it makes it easier to create basic software. Imagine a company like Chegg becoming obsolete through the use of AI tutors. This may indicate an overall decrease in the need for programmers, but here's the twist. This very trend could lead to a surge in demand for new kinds of programmers. In this future, the most valuable developers will be those who can bridge the gap between humans and artificial intelligence. They are the ones who understand both the complexity of the code and the capabilities of the AI tools. These translation programmers are critical to effectively deploying AI assistants, ensuring code quality, and guiding software development toward innovative solutions. Therefore, the future of programming is not one of extinction, but rather of adaptation. Programmers who embrace these changes, develop their skills to work with AI, and harness the power of automation will truly thrive in this exciting new era of programming. So the next time he hears about AI taking over programming tasks, remember this: Copilot Workspace is here to work with us, not to replace us. This is a powerful tool that has the potential to usher in a new era of software development, where human creativity and AI capabilities work together.